Hey guys, how's it going? Tony here. I did want a lot of people asked me about Corsair and to do a quick update. As some of you guys know, I do have about two options, two call options on Corsair right now for a 45 strike, and I didn't buy them for December 18th. I'm still gonna be holding them. Currently, right now, looking at the charts. I do like looking a little bit further out on the chart, like the time frame's a little bit higher, just because it kind of gives you a better example of what the direction actually is, right? On the 4 hour, and let's start with the day. On the day chart, we're actually seeing the MACD still be pretty bullish. As you guys know, as long as the MACD is bullish and you guys still see those green candles getting created on the top, I'm still bullish. There's always a big chance that we're going to rebound off that. I don't think that there's going to be what is it called? I'm never bearish as long as these green candles are created, right? Also, so for the day chart, we're still pretty bullish. For the 4 hour, we actually just crossed over into bearish territory. The last time this happened, we actually consolidated in between around $1 price range between $27 and $26. You guys can see it here. You can see the consolidation right here in this little area. Do I think this is going to happen this time? I don't know if we're going to consolidate between here. I do think there's a stronger chance that we go down to $35 as opposed to bumping straight up back to 45. As of right now, from where I'm seeing, it does look like we have a bigger chance of going down to, like I said, $35 as opposed to, bouncing right back up to 45 bucks. So, if you guys are looking to swing trade this, or to get into the Corsair as far as a swing, or to get into Corsair as far as options, I would wait for Monday. Maybe even wait till Monday plays out and look at closing price on Monday. At this rate, there is still, like I told you guys, right? We're looking at the 1 hour chart here. MACD is still bearish, and as long as these red candles are here, there's still a bigger chance that we can go lower as far as price goes, instead of start trending up. So I do think that as of right now, there's like a 80% chance we're gonna go back down to the 35 price range as far as momentum goes, right? And there's like a 20% chance we like pop on Monday back to 45 unless Corsair releases like some crazy fundamentals and news, right? Even the 30-minute chart, bearish momentum is kind of dying out, and it does look like, depending on Monday's movement, we will see maybe a slight bump back to the bullish side, and we might hit 45 bucks. But like I said, I always like looking at bigger time frames just to kind of get a better idea of what's actually happening, right? So that, yeah, like I said, I do think Monday would be a really good time to get in on calls, or maybe even a swing trade. I do think 35, if it does drop to $35, that's gonna be the floor. I really doubt that it's gonna go any lower than that. And I do think that it's gonna go back to $45. So just kind of forecasting right now, right? Let's do, if it actually bounces from where we are right now back to previous, I don't want to go with all-time highs. I'm going to go with previous resistance, just because that's more probable, I guess. We will see, let me change this so it can be easier to kind of look at, right? We will see from the 35 price range, 38 price range, that it's at its low right now, the $38. Actually, why is that? Why is it on the hour 30? Oh no, it's 38. Yeah. So from right now, from the 38, relatively price range to back to 45 resistance, you are looking at about an 18% gain. If you want to do like an all-time high, which is extremely, I do think that we're going to hit all-time highs again. I don't know when for sure. But there is a chance that we hit that, relatively soon. I'm definitely bullish on this stock overall, especially with the holidays coming up. Like, there's no reason to not be bullish on Corsair right now, especially with Christmas coming up and all the, Cyber Monday and everything. Like, there's definitely going to be hype around this stock, hype around everything else that's retail or e-commerce and stuff. So definitely 100% bullish on Corsair right now. So if we do actually trade from 38 right now to resistance, we're looking at an 18% growth, or 18% price up. But if we do go back to all-time highs, we're looking at a 33% change. If you guys are looking if you guys wait it out on Monday, there is a stronger chance that we're going to hit that 35 price range down here, the 35 mark for support. And if it does go back to back to all-time highs, which was that $51 mark, which I do think we're going to hit, you're looking at a 45% increase. So almost a 50% increase on your money, from the 35 point up to, the 30, up to back to the $51 area. So if you guys are swing trading, I do definitely recommend waiting it out on Monday, to see if it hits that $35 level. Right now, I do think CORSAIR is a strong buy. At $35, I think it's a definite buy. I think I would definitely put, a solid, couple grand into CORSAIR. If I wasn't, if I was more liquid, I would definitely buy more CORSAIR. I would buy more CORSAIR at 35, right? And I would ride it to all-time highs, and especially because we're in the holidays. So there's three options right now. Either you guys buy Monday at open at this 38 price range, in which case it can run up to previous resistance, and you get a like an 18% like growth increase, or you wait it out till till it hits 35, and then you wait it till it hits 51, and you're looking like almost like a 50% increase. But like I said, I do think 35 cents is going to be the floor. CORSAIR is too strong of a company. I mean, I know it's had a crazy run up, and it doesn't look like it's going to be ending anytime soon. These pullbacks are pretty normal in the market. It's nothing to be scared about. For the 4-hour chart, like I said, the MACD is about to cross bearish territory, which I'm a little, not necessarily scared about. Not too worried, just because former crosses haven't been too scarce or scarce. It's had such strong momentum that it kind of consolidates between $1 or $2 in that price range. And I do think just because it crossed right now, there is a stronger chance, like I said, that it's going to drop down to $35, as opposed to moonshotting back up to $45 this upcoming week. So my recommendation, if you're holding this long term, buy it on Monday open, buy it Monday close, buy it Tuesday, buy it Wednesday, buy it whenever, right? CORSAIR is going to be a great company. If you don't really swing trade or option trade, buying CORSAIR right now is a really good time to purchase it. But as far as, if you're swing trading or if you're option trading, I would recommend waiting till maybe Monday close, to kind of see and weigh the market, as far as, if it's overall bullish or bearish, and then looking just to see where it actually closes, because you could significantly get a really good increase in price, as far as CORSAIR goes. Because if it drops down to $35 and it goes back all the way up to all-time highs, which is around the $51 area, you are going to be looking at an almost 50% increase in your money. You're looking at a 45% increase back when it hits like 50, what was it, like 51 something, right? Almost $52. But yeah, CORSAIR, definitely bullish. Options, swing trading, I'd probably wait till it hits 35. If you're buying CORSAIR long term, any price range right now is 100% buy. I mean, it really depends on your preference. See you later, guys.